Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on the web tech zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create newsletter in Google Docs and how you can send it on your Gmail or you can send via email. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So first, let me open the Google Drive. You have to open the Google Drive, log in with your email ID, and just click on New, and just take the blank Google Docs, or you can create your own news later. But I will suggest you go for the templates and the Google Docs. Here you can see the Google Docs has been open, and here you can see the templates of your all good. Now just find out the templates of newsletter. So okay, so you can search, just hit the control and F and type news. Yeah, so you can see this is newsletter template we have. Just find out many. Okay, this also, okay, this one also I have, and this one we have three templates here. So I can use this one, just click on it, so it will be open in Google Docs. So you can see, you can just this open in Google Docs. Now you can replace this image, just click here and all image option, and okay, 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 you have to replace this image with your logo. So you can replace it, just delete it and go to the insert, go to the image. You can upload from computer, you can take your logo from your Google Drive or photos. So I will, so you can take the logo from computer. So click on my computer, so I will take my logo from computer here. So I take any pictures. Okay, I don't have logo, I just this picture, just click on it. You can resize it as per your requirement. Okay, so in this dot option, you will have many options, like click on all option image, and here you can see the all option, so you can make changes as per requirement. Okay, here you can see this is a in front tags. Okay, if you want to move this logo in front of tags, you have to click on it and it will be move on front of tags. Okay, so just undo it. So there is a many option you can use. Okay, adjustment, transparency. Okay, you can use transparency, so your logo will be transfer, rotation, position. Also you can make the fixed position. Okay, so just undo it. Okay, so logo, you can change the, yeah, okay, now you have to change the name. So tags, you can change the image. Okay, so you can insert the, this is templates. If you want to make short templates, you can delete something. This is a, you know you can say here, this is like button. Okay, you can insert or replace the link on it. So just click on here and go to the links, then link will be removed. Now select again and go here link, and you can put the your own link. I just put YouTube link. Okay, so has been, you can change the color, background color of this page. Go to the file, go to the page setup, and you can change color from here. Okay, you can see background color has been changed. Okay, you do anything with this. Okay, so there is a many option you can use. So I just show you how you can insert the link, how you can change the color, how you can change the, logo, how you can take this, newsletter template. So now if you want to send it to the Gmail, just hit the control and A, select all and copy it. Just come to the Gmail, and let it open. Now go to the compose. Okay, just click on compose. So my new mail window will be open. So I think my internet is slow, let it open first. So window has been opened. This is my signature. Just keep the cursor where you want to paste. Now just hit the control and V, then your all newsletter will be updated here, and the link also will be pasted here. and image is also paste here. Okay, now you can send it where you want to send. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.